Imagine holding the power to shape your destiny, where your deepest wishes aren't just fantasies, but potential realities. What if I told you that the universe is ready to conspire in your favor? Intriguing, right? Join me as we discover how to turn this fascinating possibility into your truth. Let's delve into the heart of manifestation. At its core, manifestation is about aligning your energy and intentions with the universe to bring your desires to life. It's a process that transcends mere wishful thinking, rooted in the belief that the universe is a responsive, dynamic force that interacts with your thoughts and actions. During this video, we will learn exactly how to make the universe manifest whatever we desire in life with practical tips. And we will show you the most powerful words to use that will almost guarantee your manifestation. These words are tested and used by millions of people to manifest abundance and wealth in their life. The video is going to be interesting, so watch this video till the end. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. To harness this power, start by understanding the law of attraction, a key principle in manifestation. It suggests that like attracts like. This means your thoughts, both positive and negative, attract similar energies and experiences. So, when you focus positively on your desires, you set the stage for the universe to respond in kind. But it's more than just thinking positively. Manifestation requires clear intention, deep belief, and open receptivity. It's about visualizing your goals as already achieved, feeling the emotions they bring, and trusting the universe to guide you. This approach transforms your aspirations from mere dreams into achievable realities. It's important to remember, though, that manifestation isn't a magic wand. It's a journey of personal growth, self-awareness, and consistent effort. As you align your mindset and actions with your goals, the universe unfolds opportunities and pathways, leading you closer to your desired outcomes. As we navigate the art of manifestation, the power of words becomes evident. Words are not just a form of communication. They're vibrations that can align us with the universe's frequency. Using the right words and affirmations can act as catalysts for bringing your desires into reality. Begin with positive affirmations. These are powerful, concise statements that encapsulate your aspirations as if they are already happening. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to be successful," affirm, "I am successful in all my endeavors." This subtle shift from a state of wanting to change your energy signals to the universe that you are ready to receive. It's also crucial to frame your words in the present tense and avoid negatives. For example, rather than saying, "I don't want to be stressed," rephrase it to, "I am embracing peace and calm in my life." This positive phrasing removes focus from what you don't want and directs it towards what you do. Moreover, infuse your words with gratitude. Expressing thanks to the universe for what you already have and for what is yet to come reinforces your belief and strengthens the manifestation process. Phrases like, "I am grateful for my abundant life," or "I am thankful for the love and joy surrounding me," elevate your vibration and attract more of what you are grateful for. Remember, the universe responds not just to your words, but also to the emotions and intentions behind them. Speak with conviction, believe in your words, and feel the emotions as if your desires are already fulfilled. This alignment of words, thoughts, and feelings creates a powerful magnet for your dreams, pulling them from the realm of possibility into reality. Now that we understand the importance of words, let's discuss aligning your thoughts and actions with your manifestation goals. The synergy between what you think, what you say, and what you do is critical in signaling to the universe that you are ready to receive your desires. Firstly, your thoughts set the foundation. Cultivate a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. Instead of dwelling on what you lack, focus on the abundance that surrounds you and the endless possibilities. This shift in perspective opens you up to more opportunities and draws positive experiences toward you. Next, your actions must mirror your intentions. It's not enough to just think and speak positively. Your actions must also reflect your goals. If you aspire to be a successful entrepreneur, start by researching, planning, and networking in your desired field. These actions reaffirm your intentions to the universe and yourself, demonstrating your commitment and readiness. As we delve further into our journey, let's explore practical steps to actively engage the universe in manifesting our desires. These steps are about taking control of our destiny and actively collaborating with the universe to turn our dreams into reality. Set clear and specific intentions. The first step is to define what you want to manifest clearly. Vague desires yield vague results. Be as specific as possible about what you want to achieve, whether it's a type of job, a relationship, a lifestyle, or a state of being. Write down your intentions, as putting them on paper is a powerful act of commitment. Visualize your desires. Visualization is a potent tool. Regularly take time to close your eyes and visualize your life after achieving your desires. Imagine how it feels, what you see, who you're with, and what you're doing. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more powerful the impact. Practice mindfulness and meditation. These practices help you maintain a positive and open mindset, crucial for manifestation. They keep you grounded and aligned with your intentions, making it easier for the universe to work in your favor. Take inspired action. Manifestation is not just wishing, it's doing. Identify actions that align with your goals and take them. These actions don't have to be grand. Even small steps are significant. The key is to take actions that feel inspired and resonate with your goals. Maintain a high vibrational frequency. Your energy attracts similar energies. Maintain a positive, high-frequency vibration through gratitude, joy, love, and appreciation. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and express gratitude for what you have and what's to come. Trust the universe and surrender control. While it's essential to take action, it's equally important to trust the universe and let go of the need to control every aspect of how your desires will manifest. Be open to opportunities and paths that might differ from your initial plan but lead you to your ultimate goal. By following these steps, you actively engage with the universe, creating a dynamic where your energy and intentions are mirrored back to you in the form of manifested desires. Remember, the universe is your partner in this journey, and together you can bring about the changes and achievements you seek. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.